Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into automating recurring task creation in ClickUp, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your ClickUp dashboard. It's important to begin here because this is your command center where you can manage all your tasks and projects. Now that we've done that, let's move to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the List button. This helps us because it's where we can view all our tasks and choose which ones we want to automate. Next up, select a task you wish to automate. Once you've clicked on the task, you'll see a Get icon, which is your gateway to a wide range of task options, including automation. The reason we do this is to ensure we're automating the correct task. Here's where it gets really interesting. After clicking the But icon, select Set Recurring. A pop-up box will appear, allowing you to customize the recurrence of your task. You can choose to repeat this task daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. Let me explain why this matters. Setting up recurring tasks can save you a significant amount of time, reducing manual intervention and helping you focus on other important tasks. Once you've set up your recurring task, don't forget to click Save. This finalizes the automation process and ensures your task will recur as programmed. And that's it. Now you know how to automate recurring task creation in ClickUp, a simple yet powerful way to boost your productivity and efficiency. Remember, automation is your friend, so let ClickUp do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep automating.